The Gtech AirRAM Platinum vacuum cleaner is a cordless stick model that feels very light in the hand, so carrying it up and down stairs or around the house is straightforward even for longer cleaning sessions. Its low-profile head and flexible handle make it easy to slide under beds, sofas, and tables, reaching spots where a bulkier upright or cylinder vacuum often struggles. On both carpet and hard flooring, it delivers strong suction with a powered brush bar that copes well with everyday dust, grit, and pet hair without needing endless repeated passes. The anti-hair wrap brush design is particularly effective at preventing long hair from tangling around the bar, which cuts down on maintenance and keeps performance consistent. A rechargeable 22-volt lithium-ion battery provides a genuinely useful runtime for whole home cleans, and the simple charge level display helps you plan top-ups rather than being caught out mid-room. The bagless dustbin is quick to empty with a single latch, and the compact body stores neatly in a corner, making this a very practical choice for regular grab-and-go cleaning.